You've worked hard this year. Big goals, tight timelines, so many deadlines and projects to get done. And it's finally time to celebrate at your team event. And you're going bowling. Your first turn, ball rolls down the center of the lane. Strike! And what do you see when you turn around? Someone looking at their phone. Another team member just politely claps. Somebody raises their glass, gives you a little bit of a nod and cheers as if you just cut your grass and they're admiring it. Let me contrast that with a recent experience that I had in South Korea. Same game, totally different energy. First turn, ball goes down the center of the lane, strike. And the team that was already standing up, already engaged in what was happening, is cheering. High fives, double high fives. Everyone is so happy as if that strike was their very own. We use this same teamwork and collaboration style to improve our global collaboration. We were able to take 86 weeks out of our vehicle development timeline. That's the difference of a newborn baby and a toddler running around the house grabbing things off the shelf. My ask for you is this week, find one way to elevate collaboration. This could be offering to help a colleague. This could be taking on an extra project from your boss, or even just sharing something early to get feedback instead of polishing it alone. Let's go from that quiet team that's distracted to the one that's cheering everyone on for every strike, no matter who had it. Let's be that team.